The mindset you need to be a successful real estate investor. Let's get into it. Look guys, most people think that by buying real estate, you're gonna become rich overnight. That it cannot be further from the truth. This takes time, and especially if you're just starting off in the business, it's very hard to become an overnight success. Most overnight success I see in real estate are people who have been doing it for years and years, sometimes a decade, sometimes 2 decades, because it takes that long for you guys to accumulate enough property, see the massive amount of appreciation, and also see the cash flow go up and up and up as you start paying down your principal balance. I like to look at real estate investing like planting a fruit tree. Now, if I plant an apple seed tomorrow, I don't expect it to grow or bear fruit in the next year, right? That's highly unlikely. So what I'm doing is I'm planting multiple seeds, I'm watering it, and then years later, they will begin to grow and bear fruit of which I will be able to enjoy. Now, there are ways to accelerate this, like maybe I can buy another tree that already has fruits and I can plant it in my orchard, right? That's like buying rentals that are already producing cash flow. There are things that you can do to accelerate it, but to think that you're gonna become an overnight millionaire in like a day or 2 days or even a year, that is just setting you guys up for failure. Real estate is a long game. Real estate is a marathon, not a sprint. And if you do sprint, that's when people usually get caught in these recessions or when the rates go up and they get screwed and they lose their butt off. But if you're doing it correctly and you're buying good property at great prices and where you can add value and you're producing cash flow, that, guys, is how you win the game of real estate for the long haul. So build your mindset correctly and just understand that slow and steady is a better way to approach real estate than just hard and fast. So guys, to be successful with the right mindset in real estate, you have to start thinking long term, not short. And if you do that, you'll be very successful. Thank you so much for watching, guys. If you want to know a little bit more about who I am and why I'm sharing with you these tips, make sure you watch this video right here.